This is my ESP32 Doorbell Project. This is my ESP32. This is my extension board that my ESP32 is mounted on. My extension board has several pins on each side, and each pin corresponds to a pin on my ESP32. I've got pins coming down the left side, I've got pins coming down the right side, and I've got pins coming down the left and right side of the ESP32. This is my 5-volt rail, and this is my 3.3-volt rail. This is my buzzer. This is my NPN transistor 8050. This is my push button switch. I've got a 10K ohm resistor on the base of my transistor, and that is connected to pin number 13 on my extension board. My emitter on my transistor is going to ground right here. On the collector side, I've got the negative side of my buzzer, and the positive side of my buzzer is going to plus 5 volts. Over here, I've got a 1K ohm resistor coming off one side of my switch, and another 1K ohm resistor on the same side of the switch. And this resistor is going to pin number 4 on my extension board. Now, every time I push the switch, the base of my transistor goes high through my 10K ohm, and when I release the switch, the base of the transistor goes low. So when the base of the transistor goes high, the transistor turns on and turns on the buzzer, and when I release the switch, the base of the transistor goes low and the buzzer stops. And this brings me to the end of the video. Subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for your attention.